Welcome to Holistic Wellness 24/7. In today's video, we discover the benefits of pomegranate seeds and juice. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your well-being. So let's get started on your journey to better health and wellness. Today we have something truly special for you. We're going to talk about a fruit that has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its taste, but also for its incredible health benefits. We're talking about the pomegranate. We hear so much about superfoods these days, right? From kale to quinoa, the list seems endless. But amidst all these trendy foods, there's one that stands out due to its rich history and proven benefits. The pomegranate is not just another superfood, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that has stood the test of time. It's hard to know what's real and what's just hype. With so many products claiming to be the next big thing in health, it can be overwhelming to make the right choices. But when it comes to pomegranates, there's no need for skepticism. This fruit has been revered in various cultures for thousands of years, but some foods have been helping people stay healthy for a long time. Imagine walking through an ancient market filled with vibrant colors and the aroma of fresh produce. Among these treasures, the pomegranate has always held a special place. Its deep red hue and unique structure have made it a symbol of health and prosperity. The pomegranate is one of those special foods. Growing on a tree that can live for over 100 years, this fruit is a testament to nature's resilience and bounty. Each pomegranate is packed with hundreds of seeds, each one a tiny jewel of nutrition. People have loved it for centuries. From ancient Egypt to Greece and Persia, the pomegranate has been a symbol of life, fertility, and health. It has been featured in art, mythology, and even religious texts, highlighting its importance across different cultures and eras. This bright red fruit with its shiny seeds isn't just pretty. Each seed is a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamins C and K, folate and potassium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health, from boosting our immune system to supporting heart health. It's packed with good stuff like vitamins and minerals that can make a big difference in how we feel. Regular consumption of pomegranates can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and even improve memory. It's no wonder that this fruit is often referred to as a natural medicine. Let's explore the awesome world of pomegranates together and see how they can help us be healthier. Whether you enjoy them fresh, as juice, or in your favorite recipes, pomegranates are a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the benefits and uses of this incredible fruit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on healthy living. You know, I wasn't always a big fan of pomegranates. In fact, I used to avoid them altogether. They seemed like such a hassle to eat, and I didn't really understand what all the fuss was about. I mean, why go through all that trouble when there are so many other fruits that are easier to enjoy? They seemed kind of tough to eat, and those seeds were a bit messy. I remember the first time I tried to eat one, I ended up with pomegranate juice all over my hands and seeds scattered everywhere. It was a disaster. I thought to myself, there has to be a better way to enjoy fruit than this. So I usually chose fruits that were easier to handle. Apples, bananas, grapes, those were my go-to options. They were convenient, tasty, and didn't require any special effort to eat. I could just grab one and go without worrying about making a mess or spending extra time preparing them. But then I read a really interesting study about how good they are at fighting inflammation. The research was compelling, showing that pomegranates are packed with antioxidants and have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. I knew the importance of reducing inflammation in the body, and I was intrigued by the potential health benefits of this fruit. I was curious, so I decided to give them another try. This time I approached it with a different mindset. Instead of focusing on the inconvenience, I wanted to see if the health benefits were worth the effort. I started researching different ways to open and eat pomegranates, hoping to find a method that would make the process easier. At first, it was tricky getting the seeds out. I tried cutting the pomegranate in half and scooping out the seeds with a spoon, but it was still messy and time-consuming. I even tried using a knife to separate the seeds from the pith, but that didn't work very well either. It seemed like no matter what I did, I couldn't avoid the mess. Then I learned a cool trick. Take the pomegranate under water and the seeds come right out. I couldn't believe how simple and effective it was. By submerging the pomegranate in a bowl of water, the seeds would easily separate from the pith and sink to the bottom, while the pith floated to the top. It was a game changer. That, plus noticing how much better I felt, made me a total pomegranate believer. Not only did I find a way to enjoy them without the mess, but I also started to experience the health benefits firsthand. My energy levels improved, my digestion felt better, and I even noticed a reduction in inflammation-related symptoms. Now, I make sure to include pomegranates in my diet regularly, and I encourage my patients to do the same. It's amazing how something as simple as a fruit can have such a profound impact on our health and well-being. These days, we hear a lot about diseases like heart problems, diabetes, and cancer. While medicine can help, many people also look for natural ways to stay healthy. That's where the pomegranate comes in. It's full of things called antioxidants that can help protect our bodies from some of the things that cause these diseases. It's not a magic bullet, but adding pomegranates to a healthy lifestyle can be a great idea. So, what's the big deal about pomegranates? It's all about what's inside. They're bursting with vitamins, minerals, and those helpful antioxidants. They have lots of vitamin C, which is great for fighting off colds. They also have potassium, which is good for our hearts. But the real superstars are the antioxidants, especially ones called punicalagins and elagitannins. These give pomegranates their bright red color and are responsible for many of their health benefits. Let's take a closer look at how pomegranates can help us. These vibrant, ruby-red fruits are not just a treat for the eyes and taste buds, but they also pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. From heart health to skin care, pomegranates have been celebrated for their medicinal properties for centuries. Today, modern science is catching up with what ancient cultures have known all along. So let's dive into the specific ways pomegranates can enhance our well-being. Studies show that eating them regularly can be good for different parts of our bodies. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, in a salad, or as a refreshing juice, incorporating pomegranates into your diet can have a multitude of benefits. These benefits are not just limited to one aspect of health, but span across various systems in our body. Let's explore these benefits in more detail. Heart health. Pomegranate juice can help our blood flow better and lower blood pressure. This is particularly important because good blood flow and healthy blood pressure are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. The antioxidants in pomegranates, especially punicalagins, are known to be effective in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries. This in turn helps in preventing atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the hardening and narrowing of the arteries, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. It does this by relaxing our blood vessels and stopping plaque from building up. When blood vessels are relaxed, they allow for smoother and more efficient blood flow, reducing the strain on the heart. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranates help in preventing the formation of plaque, which can clog the arteries and restrict blood flow. This dual action makes pomegranates a heart-healthy choice. Fighting inflammation can cause lots of problems. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Pomegranates are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, such as flavonoids and tannins, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. By incorporating pomegranates into your diet, you can help mitigate the effects of chronic inflammation and improve your overall health. Pomegranates are great at fighting inflammation. Their anti-inflammatory properties are not just limited to internal health, but can also benefit your skin. Inflammation is a key factor in many skin conditions, such as acne and eczema. The antioxidants in pomegranates can help soothe inflamed skin and promote a clearer, healthier complexion. Helping digestion. The fiber in pomegranates helps our tummies stay happy and keeps things moving smoothly. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system as it aids in regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Pomegranates are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help maintain a healthy gut. Additionally, the natural enzymes in pomegranates can aid in digestion and improve nutrient absorption, skin and brain. Those powerful antioxidants protect our cells from damage. Antioxidants are crucial in combating free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and various diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, the antioxidants in pomegranates help protect our skin and brain cells from oxidative stress. This means they can help keep our skin looking good and our brains sharp. Regular consumption of pomegranates can lead to a more youthful appearance and improved cognitive function. The antioxidants in pomegranates, such as vitamin C and polyphenols, can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, while also supporting brain health by improving memory and cognitive performance. So, whether you're looking to enhance your heart health, fight inflammation, aid digestion, or keep your skin and brain in top shape, pomegranates are a fantastic addition to your diet. Let's turn to Sarah, who was worried about her high blood pressure. She read about how pomegranates could help, so she started drinking a small glass of pomegranate juice every day. After a while, her blood pressure started to go down. She was so happy that she started adding pomegranate seeds to her breakfast and salads too. Sarah's story shows how natural foods can sometimes make a big difference. Pomegranates aren't a replacement for medicine, but they can be a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. So, how can you add pomegranates to your diet? It's easier than you think. Eat the seeds. Just eat the seeds right out of the fruit. Remember that underwater trick to make it easy. Drink the juice. Pomegranate juice is delicious and healthy. Just make sure it's 100% juice without any added sugar. Add to food. Sprinkle the seeds on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal and get creative. Try them in smoothies, sauces, or even desserts. Pomegranates are a wonderful gift from nature, and they're a tasty way to get healthier. Adding this amazing fruit to your meals can make a real difference. Have you tried pomegranates? Tell us about it in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to eat healthy and feel our best. And don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter for more healthy tips.